guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Today I am going to unbox my sugar parcel which I have received a few days back, and I am going to show what are the exciting things I have purchased from the sugar app and what are the exciting gifts that I have got from this app. So this is my sugar parcel. This is the parcel. Now I am going to open this up and show you what are the things that I have purchased from the app. So this is the box of the sugar and I am opening this up. You can see I have got all the things from the sugar app. So now I am going to show you the products. First they gave me this kind of catalog in which you can see that here various kinds of loops are given, and in the alternative page it's given what are the shades of the foundation, what are the shades of the lipstick are used here. All the informations are given in this kind of catalog. So here actually I have purchased a matte lipstick. It's sugar smudge me not liquid lipstick. It's a matte lipstick and a set of kajal and a lipstick also. So I have actually purchased these two things. Here you can see I have actually purchased these two things, and these two have cost me $11.98, and with the investment of $11.98 I have got two very exciting gifts. These are the one gift is the a set of 4 mini lipstick and a pouch. These are the all things that I have got from the sugar. Now I am going to give the details of each of the product. So the first one is the lipstick that I have purchased actually is a matte lipstick. It's in the shade 10, you can see, and the name of the shade is Drop Dead Red. So I am going to show you the color. So this is the color of the lipstick, as you can see, and it's a very much bigger in quantity also. And the set of the kajal and the lipstick is this. I'm going to open this up. So here is the kajal. You can see it's from the sugar and it's in the shade 1. It's in the black shade actually, and I'm going to open this up also. So this is the kajal actually, and the lipstick that have come with this kajal within the set is this. It's also matte lipstick from the Sugar Smudge Me Not range, and it's in the shade number 26, and it's the name of the shade is Rose Repose. So here is the shade of the lipstick. It's a kind of nude shade. So these are the things that I have purchased actually from the sugar and cost me $11.98, and with this I have got free a set of 4 mini lipstick that comes in a very classy container, in a very classic black color container, this kind of box. And when you open up this box you can see that they are arranged in very beautiful manner. Very beautifully they are arranged, you can see. You can purchase this kind of sets from the sugar online stores, from the sugar website, and this only shade, shade of 4 mini lipstick costs 800. So with the investment of $11.98 I have got a gift of 800 and also the pouch. I actually don't remember the price of the pouch. Now I am going to show you the shades of the mini lipstick. So the first one is in the shade number 25. It's in the shade number 25, and the name of the shade is Very Mulberry. So here is the shade. So this is the shade of the 25 Very Mulberry. So the next one is in the shade number 02. It's in the shade number 02, and the name of the shade is Brink of Pink. So I am going to show you the color. This is the color of the shade Brink of Pink. It's a very sweet color actually, and very much looking good. This color, I really love this color. So the next shade is in the number 42, and the name of the shade is Toast Rose. So this is the shade. So this is the shade of the lipstick. You can see it's a quite darker shade than the previous one, and the last one is in the shade number 12. The name of the shade is Dawn Fall. Here is the shade. it's in the color Dawn Fawn and the number is 12. I'm going to swatch all the lipsticks. I'm going to give the swatches of all the lipstick that I purchased from the Sugar in my next upcoming videos. And the last thing that I bought free with all the things is this pouch. It's a glossy pouch with purple color, and here is the logo of the Sugar app, you can see. And in this pouch you can carry all the mini sets of lipsticks. So these are all the exciting offers that are going on the Sugar online store, on the Sugar website. I don't know whether these offers are still existing or not, but these are very much interesting offers, and the Sugar lipstick are very much fabulous, and the Smudge Me Not lipstick is very much good. These are in matte color, matte shades, and also they are very much long lasting and gives a very bold and hot look and very fabulous look. The one that I have bought this the lipstick that I have bought in this video is also from the Sugar online store. I actually don't remember the shade, but I will mention all the shades, all the links in my description box below, so that you can easily check the products very well. So these are all the gifts and all the things that I have purchased from the Sugar. So these are all the things that I have purchased from the Sugar online store, and these are all the gifts that I have got free from the Sugar, just only investment of $11.98. You can check up the online site of the Sugar, and there are maybe must other offers available on their site. And the best thing is that their delivery service is very much good, and they are giving cash on delivery also. So these are all the benefits that I have got from the Sugar, and these are all the very much affordable products, I can say, of the Sugar. So all the links of the product and each and every link I am giving below in my description box, so that you can easily find out the products on the link on their official website. So hope guys you like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my each and every new video whenever I uploaded it into my channel. And also comment down in the comment section that what are the exciting gifts and offers you have got from using the Sugar online store, and also finding on the Sugar official site. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe.